Hey everyone, how's it going? Check out my new bird feeder. So the camera is 1080p, high definition, has cloud storage so you can save clips and check them out later. There's an AI system built in so it identifies the birds. It's really cool. Enjoy the song! If you want to check out the bird feeder on Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. The prices of these things are typically between $99 and $300. The most expensive one I've seen is the name brand one, if you will. It's called the Bird Buddy, and that's supposed to be the one with the best AI and highest level of quality. But the one I have here was about $199, and I think it's great. So far, so good. Great quality. It's holding up pretty good, and it's getting lots of activity too.